I received a bunch of hand-me-down children's clothes recently, and most of the jeans have holes in the knees. To prevent these holes from getting bigger and ensure the pants last longer, it's a good idea to mend them. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate a straightforward repair that doesn't require a sewing machine. It involves light hand sewing, which is suitable for beginners. This quick fix is durable and perfect for active kids. Stick around until the end to see the final results. Let's begin. Here's what you'll need for this repair: an iron-on denim patch, a small piece of scrap fabric, scissors, strong heavy thread, a needle, an iron, and a thimble can be useful too. Lay the scrap fabric on top of the hole and cut it slightly larger than the opening. Position the fabric behind the hole and secure it with pins. Turn the pants inside out and trim any excess fabric to make it slightly smaller. Cut the patch about an inch larger than the scrap fabric. The patch should adhere to both the scrap fabric and the jeans. To prevent corners from catching and coming loose over time, round off the edges. Remove the pins and, using a dry iron, attach the patch to the jeans with the adhesive side down. Ensure that all sides of the scrap fabric are covered by the patch. Test the patch edges to make sure they're secure. You might need to iron a bit longer. You could leave the patch as is, but for added durability, a bit of hand sewing is recommended. This part is easy, even for beginners. Use strong thread and a needle. Tie a knot at the end of the thread. Start from the inside and push the needle through the jeans. I am using an altered version of a whip stitch to secure the edges of the hole to the patch. This not only prevents the hole from getting bigger, but also adds a stylish touch to the patch. Stitch all around and secure with a knot from the inside. What do you think of this technique? If you decide to try it yourself, I would love to see your results. Please share your work. Now, let's take a look at some action shots. Thanks for watching.